Hey guys, this is another video, and today in this video I am doing my first reaction. So I am reacting to Jake Paul Ohio Fried Chicken song. That just sounds funny just saying it. Anyway, let's just get straight into it.
Lincoln Bile, Ohio Fried Chicken, bitch. We made this in one day. Tricky Rick, Bobby Slick, Ohio boys, let's hit it. Honky donk,
First of all, I just need to say I love the music. Okay. So
Ohio Fried Chicken is what it's called. I got my truck, my overalls, just me and my boys making fried chicken, y'all. Kentucky can't compete, no OFCE.
first of all, they just added an O to KFC. And they need to get comfy.
Sweep you off your feet, please look up to me. We'll tell you what to do. Tender's the move. Get yourself some sauce. Yeah, you a boss. OFC, that's how we're living. Come around town, you'll find.
So they just went in KFC, started recording, and started singing. Guess that's just how it is.
Me sitting near a pretty girl with no care, no problem in the world, not even her hair. I think I found what I finally need. Chicken and a girl that's nice and they can slow it down or speed it up. I'm making my way to Ohio Fried Chicken, bitch. Honky donk,
He looks like a cowboy. Just look at him. He doesn't even look like Jake Paul.
Ohio Fried Chicken is what it's called. I got my truck, my overalls, just me and my boys making fried chicken, y'all. They said I wouldn't make it. Nope. Now my chicken's naked. Yep. And my truck is lifted. Check. Shout out to my pops. I got my piggy. Oink. I got my goat. Nay. But I still need a little bow. Row. I wanna make my family proud. Yeah. I just wanna sell out a crowd. Right. I need a girl, who's down to ride. Working all day, that's that Ohio Fried. Honky donk. Ohio Fried Chicken is what it's called. I got my truck, my overall.
So they just use babies. I won't disturb you anymore.
Just me and my boys making fried chicken, y'all. Yeah. Hi, baby. Trio's rolling up. Represent your country. We're here. Merch link in bio. You need to cop that shit quick. But, didn't we grow up in a suburb? That doesn't. Bro, shut up, dude. Don't talk about that. Shit. My bad. My friends are gonna make fun of me. Yeah. Shit. Alright. Sorry. It's every day, bro. Peace.
Okay, so I think that's the end of the video. So yeah, that's got to wrap up this video. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace. Didn't work last time. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace. This one will work. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace. Are you still here? Are you still here? Wow. Bye.